Are you looking for the best foods to improve kidney health naturally? In this video, we reveal the top 5 powerful foods that help cleanse toxins, support kidney function, and protect your body from damage. Start adding these simple foods to your daily diet and boost your health today. Starting with number 5, garlic. Garlic is a powerful superfood when it comes to kidney health. It contains compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce damage in the kidneys. Inflammation is one of the main causes of kidney problems, and garlic helps fight that naturally. It also helps lower cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure, both of which are important for protecting your kidneys over time. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, so adding garlic to your diet can make a real difference. Garlic also adds flavor to your food without the need for extra salt. This is important because too much sodium can increase blood pressure and harm your kidneys. Many people don't realize how much salt they consume daily, especially from processed foods. By using garlic as a natural seasoning, you reduce your sodium intake while improving the taste of your meals. You can add fresh garlic to soups, stir-fries, salads, or even roast it for a milder flavor. Making garlic a regular part of your diet is a simple but powerful way to support kidney health. Another benefit of garlic is its ability to help detoxify the body. It supports the liver and helps remove harmful substances from your system, which reduces the workload on your kidneys. When your body is cleaner internally, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter toxins. Over time, this can help maintain better kidney function and overall health. Even small daily amounts of garlic can provide long-term benefits if you stay consistent. Moving on to number 4, apples. Apples are one of the best fruits you can eat for your kidneys. They are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect kidney cells from damage. Apples also help reduce cholesterol levels and support heart health, which is closely connected to kidney function. When your heart is healthy, your kidneys receive proper blood flow, allowing them to work more efficiently. Apples are especially helpful because they contain a type of fiber called pectin, which can help reduce toxins in the bloodstream. This means your kidneys don't have to filter as much waste, reducing stress on them. Eating apples regularly can also help control blood sugar levels, which is important because diabetes is another major cause of kidney disease. Keeping your blood sugar stable helps protect your kidneys in the long run. One of the best things about apples is how easy they are to include in your daily routine. You can eat them as a snack, add them to oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or include them in salads. They are affordable, widely available, and require no preparation. Choosing whole apples instead of processed apple products ensures you get the full nutritional benefits without added sugars. At number 3, we have fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are excellent for kidney health because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for protecting your kidneys. Chronic inflammation can damage kidney tissues over time, and omega-3s help lower that risk. Fatty fish also support heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Since high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease, eating fatty fish regularly can help protect both your heart and your kidneys. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids may help reduce protein levels in urine, which is an important factor in maintaining kidney function. Including fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times a week can provide significant benefits. You can grill, bake, or steam fish for a healthy meal. Avoid deep frying as it adds unhealthy fats that can cancel out the benefits. Pairing fish with vegetables creates a balanced meal that supports overall health and kidney function. Next, at number 2, we have blueberries. Blueberries are small but incredibly powerful when it comes to protecting your kidneys. They are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Oxidative stress is one of the key factors that can damage kidney cells over time, and blueberries help neutralize that damage. Blueberries also support blood vessel health, improving circulation and ensuring your kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients. Good blood flow is essential for proper kidney function. In addition, blueberries are low in sodium and phosphorus, making them a safe and healthy choice for people who want to protect their kidneys. Another benefit of blueberries is their ability to support brain and heart health, making them a great all-around superfood. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or simply eat them as a snack. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, so you can enjoy them all year round. Finally, at number 1, we have leafy green vegetables. Foods like spinach, kale, and cabbage are some of the best choices for kidney health. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help support your body and reduce stress on your kidneys. These vegetables are especially high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, which all play important roles in maintaining overall health. Leafy greens help improve digestion and support detoxification, which reduces the amount of waste your kidneys need to filter. They also help control blood pressure and support heart health, both of which are critical for healthy kidneys. Eating a variety of leafy greens ensures your body gets a wide range of nutrients that work together to protect your organs. To get the best results, it's not just about adding healthy foods, but also avoiding harmful ones. Try to reduce processed foods, excess salt, sugary snacks, and unhealthy fats. These can increase the workload on your kidneys and lead to long-term damage. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods that support your body. Consistency is key when it comes to kidney health. Eating these foods once in a while is helpful, but making them part of your daily routine is what truly makes a difference. Small changes over time can lead to big improvements in your health. Your kidneys work hard every single day to keep your body clean and balanced. Supporting them with the right foods is one of the best things you can do for your health. By adding garlic, apples, fatty fish, blueberries, and leafy greens to your diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best.